Make sure you stick around until the end to see how you can win free gear and products. Hey, this is PJ with CLK Supplies, and I tell you what, I want to go over something to make sure you're not like me and you never do this again. Now, when it comes to programming prox keys, right? I've done several of them. And when you're in the middle of it, a lot of times, you know, you're gonna have 1 to 2 prox keys in the vehicle with you when you're programming. The problem with that is that they're prox keys, right? And so to make sure you're programming the right one and it's not picking up the original or vice versa, whatever you have going on, a lot of times you need to get the prox outside of the vehicle in order to make sure you're not running into additional problems. Well, a while back, Sean Baker, one of our LockBoss community members, left a comment and I was just kind of confused about it. And so he was nice enough to actually send me what he was talking about. So Sean, thank you. And essentially is what it was. He was like, hey PJ, you don't need to set the prox keys outside of the vehicle, right? Which, think about it. I mean, if it's rain, I guarantee if I did it too many more times, I'd step on one and break it, right? There's all sorts of reasons why you really don't want to take those prox keys outside of the vehicle like I've been doing, okay? And so he sent me this pouch. He's like, PJ, this is a pouch that you take the prox key, you stick the prox key in it, and it's gonna block all the signals, and then that way you don't have to put it outside the vehicle, just throw it in the pouch and you're good to go. I'm like, oh my gosh, this is absolutely genius. And even worse is we actually sell the Lucky Line version. So right here is what you see is the signal blocking key hider, right? So I'm not gonna use it for hiding the keys, which is gonna be my excuse as to why I didn't think of it. And essentially, just go ahead and you throw the prox keys inside of here and you don't have to set them outside the vehicle anymore. So Sean, thank you so much for sending this in. I plan to use it on all future videos when I'm programming prox keys to make sure I don't ruin or lose them. So don't be like me and put the keys outside the vehicle. Get yourselves one of these signal blocking key hiders, link in the notes below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. I'm guessing if you just watched this video that you work with locks and keys. And to us here at CLK Supplies, that makes you a lock boss. And we wanna hook you up. Here's how it works. Throughout the week, we post videos on YouTube, like the one you just watched. And all you need to do is comment on the videos and include the hashtag LockBoss. When you do this, you're automatically entered in to win one of 5 free prizes that we give out each and every week. No purchase necessary. So if you're a lock boss, join us each week to learn, grow, and win.